Welcome to Shree Learning Academy. Our today's topic is resolving certificate issues. So let's get started. As we navigate the vast online world, we often stumble across unseen barriers that keep us from fully utilizing web-based services and platforms. One such hindrance involves issues related to digital certificates. Understanding these can be a bit overwhelming for the uninitiated. So in this chapter, we will break it down and present it to you in the simplest way possible. We will also provide examples to help illustrate the points for better comprehension. So what are digital certificates? Digital certificates are similar to identification cards in the virtual world. These electronic passports are issued by Certification Authority, that is CA, allowing a person, computer or organization to exchange information securely over the internet using the public key infrastructure, that is PKI. But like any system, digital certificates can face issues that may disrupt their usual functioning. Understanding certificate issues. Certificate issues may spring from a variety of sources such as misconfiguration, policy violation, or even missing information. Think of it as being unable to unlock a door because the key is either misplaced, broken, or the lock is faulty. For example, let's imagine a situation where an e-commerce website suddenly finds that the customers are facing warnings about their website security. Upon investigation, they discover that the digital certificate has expired, a case of misconfiguration or missing information. This situation could deter potential customers and result in a loss of business. Importance of verifying digital certificates. An end user must be able to verify a digital certificate, as the credibility of the certificate issuer or the CA comes under scrutiny. If a person cannot trust the document verifying the identity of an online entity, how can they trust the entity itself? Imagine a scenario where an individual is attempting to make a transaction on a financial website. Their browser shows a warning indicating that the site certificate cannot be trusted. The user should then review the trustworthiness of the CA that issued the certificate. And if it's reputable CA, the problem might be that CA's public key isn't listed in the user's trusted routes list. The solution in such a scenario could be to add the CA's public key to this list and thereby resolving the certificate issue. The role of CAs and certificate revocation. CAs plays a significant role in managing the life cycle of digital certificates, and if a customer misuses a certificate or violates the terms of certificate policy, the CA should revoke the certificate. And this revocation is similar to a driving license being taken away by authorities when the driver violates the traffic rules. However, sometimes a revoked certificate may still be accepted. This situation is akin to a security guard still allowing a person with a revoked pass to enter a facility. And if this happens, it signifies that the client utility needs an update or needs to be correctly configured to access certificate revocation resources. And this way, it can recognize that the certificate has been revoked and blocked its use. Troubleshooting failed certificate authentication. Another crucial aspect is troubleshooting certificate authentication when it fails, particularly if it had been successfully before. If your key suddenly can't open the door when it worked just yesterday, you know something's wrong. Similarly, a previously successful authentication that now failed indicates an issue. To identify the problem, we need to check for system, software, configuration, or networking changes that may have occurred recently. It's like asking if the lock was changed, if the key is damaged, or if there is a problem with the door itself. Just as you would investigate these elements in the physical world, in the digital realm, you would review the root CA certificate and verify the subject certificate is valid and not revoked. And this process involves verifying whether the digital keys and the security mechanism they are supposed to unlock are working as they should. In conclusion, resolving certificate issues can seem like a daunting task, but with an understanding of digital certificates, the role of CAs, and the basics of PKI, it becomes significantly manageable. Remember, each certificate issue is like a door that won't open. Find the right key, ensure the lock works, and the doorway open, restoring the flow of information and maintaining the secure, reliable use of digital services. Just as we trust our identification system in the physical world to keep us safe, the digital world relies on a similar trust system. By understanding and managing these systems better, we can help ensure a safer, more secure digital world for all. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do check out the written explanation on our website. And don't forget to take this quiz based on this video. The links are in the description box below. Subscribe to our channel to watch more interesting videos. And if you have any doubts, do let us know in the comment section and we'll try our best to solve them for you. For private coaching, do contact us by visiting shreelearningacademy.com or on WhatsApp. See you in the next one.